Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Almost got stopped there by the cops, but I guess because they see me videoing them, say, hey, go ahead sir, I don't want to be that guy. So yes, it's another driving video. You figured it out. We're on Beechwood Avenue, so we're driving Beechwood Avenue into downtown Kingston. We're gonna take the left at this stoplight. So RGR Group is on the left, and this is the Linners Road / Beechwood Avenue intersection. And again guys, thank you for joining Raymore Reviews. Thank you for being a part of the family. If you're new, please subscribe. Just press that subscribe button, let it turn gray, and just click that notification bell. Leave a like and a comment as well. I know a lot of you guys always comment no matter what, so I really appreciate that. And some persons have been, you know, assisting the channel in the form of donating via PayPal. So if you guys want to do that, we have PayPal and other banking info. It really does help the channel to go on and even to get better equipment as well, just as though these driving videos are getting better, because I keep playing around with the equipment until I find something that's good enough for you guys. So every contribution and donation helps. And for persons who contribute other ways, by always sharing the video to a friend or a family and liking and comment, that really helps, because it helps the video to spread and more persons to see as well. So we're at another intersection, Retirement Crescent and Roshain Drive. So we're going straight cross. So this road on the left brings you into Crossroad. So these are some of the minor roads I'm driving on to get into downtown, rather than the traditional Crossroad, Slipe Road route. So stay tuned, drive with me. A lot of auto shop, mechanical shop, wholesales are on this road as well, both left and right. Not a lot of houses on the main, mostly business places, small business. A lot of car marts around the place as well. And every now and then we see where Water Commission will dig up a road and they will not pave it back same time until it deteriorate after rainfall. Then they throw in some gravel, then the gravel wash away, and then it's just a bag of stress. So another dig up by National Water Commission. On the left right here is a cemetery, Calgary Cemetery. On the right, on the right is a cemetery. So this road coming up is Studio One Boulevard. It comes down from Crossroad. It also has the back gate for the popular Carib Cineplex. So that's Studio One Boulevard. This right turn is onto Slipe Road. It will bring us past KPH, so stay tuned. So this is the back road to downtown, not the main road that most persons drive. Yeah, so it's Slipe Road. We have the health center here on the right. So on the right is the National Public Health Laboratory, known as also the blood bank. So it's home to the blood bank and the National Laboratory as well. That's where they did most of the COVID testing too. And then in front of us would be the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, and then down more would be the Kingston Public Hospital as well. So we're now passing the Kingston Public and the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. And again, guys, leave a comment, leave a like, make a share, and subscribe. And thanks for staying tuned with another driving video. We'll drive more into downtown to show you guys a little bit more.